Hello po, good evening. 7:30 po dito sa UK. Magluluto po ako ng dinner. You see my husband at the background. He's helping me as well. And Raymond is with me. Ipakita ko po sa inyo mamaya kung ano po yung aking niluto. So, meron po akong vegetables. Pumpkin at karaili o yung, what do you call karaili, Dad? Bitter melon. Karaili and bitter melon. And then we have the beef as well. And I made the kirog-kirog. Kirog-kirog is fried rice. Garlic fried rice. And beef. Meron po akong niluto na beef with my secret ingredient. So, pakita ko rin po mamaya. Gusto ko rin po na magpasalamat sa mga participants ng guessing game. So far sa ngayon, it's the 8th or 9th day of it and wala pa pong nakakasagot. So, ngayon po, magbibigay uli ako ng clue. Alright? So, yung first clue ko noon, sinabi ko po sa inyo na is more than 100 rings. And second clue ko po is less than 200 rings. So, ngayon po, ang aking clue is more than 140 rings po yung guessing game ko nasagot. Okay? So, kayo na po ang bahalang magsagot niyan. Ang aking akam. You know, my akam is here. You know, he's very supportive of me. Kaya lang, very shy siya. So, ayan po. And we'll serve the dinner. Nahiya siya. May tsura naman siya, pero mahihain. Okay. Ayan po. And have a good evening, everyone.